In this video you'll see how you can get totally free RAM. So don't skip a single part or your computer will die. Search performance in the search tab. Now go to advanced and select change. Now we have to do some calculations. Search calculator in the search tab. Don't do calculations on your own or you'll mess up. Multiply your RAM by 1024. Now multiply the product by 1.5. Write the product at initial size. Now we have to do some calculations again. Multiply your RAM by 1024 and again do it by 3. Restart your machine to see changes. So we've restarted our computer now. Now open settings again and do as I shown. This will help you to see what changes occurred. If you have low storage space then don't do these steps. Now got performance again. Change to background processes here if your work is based more on background processing. Don't change if it's not. And it's done now, enjoy.